Hi, welcome to Concepts Hub. In this video, we are going to discuss general awareness related question. Let us start. Which state has launched M-Pension app, an online platform through which pensioners can do self-updation without visiting Treasury office? And the answer is Manipur. Next. Which state has launched Pank Abhiyan on National Girl Child Day under Beti Bachao Beti Padhao scheme? And that state is Madhya Pradesh. Next, which state has launched first online youth radio station Radio Hills Engistan Ka Dil? And the answer is Himachal Pradesh. Deepika and Saurabh are the co-founders of this radio station. Which state has launched Bindu Sagar Lake Cleaning Project? And the answer is Odisha. Next, which state government decided to waive examination fees for matriculation students? And the answer is Odisha. Which state government has announced free sanitary pads for high school and college girls? And the answer is Punjab. Next. Which state government has launched DigiNest mobile app to ensure digital access to state government directory? And that state is Punjab. Which state government has launched free bus service to women and senior citizens under Brahman Sarathi scheme? And that state is Assam. Which state or union territory has launched India's first air taxi service under Udan scheme? And the answer is Chandigarh. Which state or union territory has launched Street Theatre and Performing Arts Fellowship? And the answer is Delhi. Which state has launched Ek Pauda Suposhit Beti Ka Naam, or a plant on the name of a well-nourished daughter? And that state is Rajasthan, and the district is Sirohi. Please remember the district. Which state has launched mobile dispensing unit for door delivery of ration supplies? And that state is Andhra Pradesh. Which state has launched free coaching facility for NEET, JEE, UPSC and other exams under Abhyodaya scheme? And that state is Uttar Pradesh. Which state to host 100 Days in Heaven, a reality show to promote tourism? And that state is Uttarakhand. Which state has launched India's first of its kind, a children's library on a boat? And that state is West Bengal. Which state government has announced Mukhyamantri Bhagyat Vikas Mission to promote agriculture horticulture to double farmers' income? And that state is Gujarat. Which state government has launched Agriculture Pump Power Connection Policy 2020? And that state is Maharashtra. Which state has launched anti-land mafia software, that is Dhara? Remember that software name also, to prevent duplication of revenue records. And that state is Uttar Pradesh. Which state government has announced free 2 GB data cards for college students to attend online classes? And that state is Tamil Nadu. Which state or union territory has launched Sathark Nagarik mobile app to monitor and control corruption? UTS, Jammu and Kashmir. Which state has inaugurated India's first fire park to spread awareness on fire safety measures? And that state is Odisha. Which state has launched e-Dakil portal to streamline grievance redressal system? And the state is Punjab. Which state to set up the period room for women at a public toilet? And that state is Maharashtra, and the place is Thane. Remember that place also, very important. Which state has launched India's first solar electric RO service? And that state is Kerala. India's first labor movement museum to be set up in which state? And the answer is Kerala. Which is the state to get India's first grey wolf sanctuary? And that state is Karnataka, and the district is Koppal. A new school of public health has been launched in which state? And the answer is Rajasthan. Which state has recently launched jail tourism initiative in a 150 years old historical jail in India? And that state is Maharashtra, and that jail is Pune's Eravada jail. Which state has recently celebrated its Golden Jubilee Statehood Day? And that state is Himachal Pradesh, 25th January 1971. Which state has launched Dharni web portal for land registration and mutations? And that state is Telangana. The Union Minister of State for Communication has launched 5-star village post scheme in which state? And the answer is Uttarakhand. and that place is Dehradun. Which state municipal corporation has launched new initiative Plastic Lao Mask Le Jao? And that municipal corporation is Dehradun Municipal Corporation and that state is Uttarakhand. Which state has launched Poshit Parivar Supohit Pradesh campaign? And that state is Madhya Pradesh. Which state has launched medical mobile unit Jeevan Dhara to provide medical service in remote areas? And that state is Himachal Pradesh. Which state has launched Hum Suraksh Abhiyan to sensitize the public regarding COVID-19? And the answer is Himachal Pradesh. Which state government has decided to give 30% public distribution system shops to women? And that state is Rajasthan. Which state government has launched Kritigeta scheme to give pension on the day of retirement? And that state is Assam. Which state government has launched Gram Darshan portal as a hub of information for transparency, accountability to improve governance at panchayats? And that state is Haryana. Which state government has launched Gandagi Bharat Chodo campaign? And that state is Madhya Pradesh. India's first gender park to be inaugurated in which state? The answer is Kerala. Which state government has launched Avalokana software that will enable state government to access data on expenditure and sanctions incurred on 1800 programs? And that state is Karnataka. Which state has inaugurated first ever bird festival Kalrao at Nagi Bird Sanctuary? The answer is Bihar. Remember the sanctuary also. Which state has launched One School One IAS scheme to provide free coaching for underprivileged aspirants? And that state is Kerala. Which state has launched Krishi Sanjeevani vans to test soil, water, and suggest remedies for pests to farmers? And that state is Karnataka. Which state to set up India's first mega leather park with an investment of 5,850 crore? And that state is Uttar Pradesh and the place is Kanpur. Which state government has launched Parishram portal to help easy of doing business and industrial development? And that state is Odisha. Ola to set up world's largest scooter factory in which Indian state? That is Tamil Nadu. Which state has launched Secha Samadhan, a bilingual mobile app to address the irrigation related problems faced by farmers? And that state is Odisha. Prime Minister inaugurated Arogya Van, Arogya Kutir, Ekta Mall and Children Nutrition Park in which state? And that state is Gujarat and that place is Kevadia. Which state to set up botanical garden, Shivalik Arboretum to conserve trees of Shivalik range? And the answer is Uttarakhand.